Reborn as a Vending Machine, Season 3 release date. The production team for Reborn as a Vending Machine, I Now Wander the Dungeon, Jido Hanbaiki and I Umarekawada or Wa Maikyu, has confirmed that the third season will officially premiere on April 1, 2026. This new season adapts the final arc of the original light novel by Harukama, produced by Studio Gokumi and Ace. The new promotional video revealed the songs that will set the rhythm for the season. The group Vivaresh performs the opening theme Jihankism, while the Hololive English VTuber unit, Fuwamoko, takes on the closing theme with Mekurumeka Rendezvous. In addition, director Takashi Yamamoto returns to helm the new episodes of the anime. Where can I watch? The plot focuses on a man reincarnated as a vending machine in a fantasy world. Therefore, the conclusion should tie up the mysteries of the dungeon where the protagonist resides. In Brazil, the simulcast is expected to occur via Crunchyroll. In this way, fans of manga and isekai will have an ending faithful to the original 2016 material. Follow other news from the online anime or manga sections.